Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen chopping and slicing ingredients? Well, I've got a game changer for you. The Cuisinart Food Processor is here to revolutionize your cooking experience. This powerful machine is a 3-in-1 device that functions as a vegetable chopper, blender, and food processor, making it a must-have for any home cook. With its 720-watt motor, you can make any kind of dip, puree soup, or sauce, including hummus, salsa, and guacamole, with ease and speed. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The Cuisinart Food Processor is a favorite among home cooks. The 14-cup food chopper has a simple and intuitive design, with on and off pulse buttons, and an extra-large feed tube that can handle both small and large feed tube pushers. The detachable disc stem makes cleanup a breeze, and the included accessories, such as the stainless steel standard slicing disc and medium shredding disc, are all dishwasher safe. I love the feel of the stainless steel chopping mixing blade. It's sturdy and durable, and the sound of the motor is smooth and quiet. The result is always consistent. Whether you're chopping nuts or shredding carrots, the texture is always perfect. This product is better than others because of its ease of use, quick assembly, and the fact that it comes with a limited 3-year warranty on the entire unit and a full 5-year warranty on the motor. Whether you're making a quick snack or a complex meal, the Cuisinart Food Processor is the perfect tool to have in your kitchen, so why not give it a try and see the difference it can make in your cooking routine? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.